Broccoli is a green vegetable that belongs to the cruciferous family. It has a dense, flowering head and thick stalks. It's known for its high nutritional value, being rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and beneficial compounds. Incorporating broccoli into our daily diet is recommended for a healthy life due to its numerous health benefits. It provides essential nutrients that support various bodily functions, such as immune system strength, bone health, digestion, heart health, and even cancer prevention. Including broccoli in your meals can contribute to a well-rounded and nutritious diet, promoting overall well-being and longevity. Here are 10 benefits of broccoli. Rich in nutrients, broccoli is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. Cancer prevention, its compounds, like sulforaphane, have been linked to reducing the risk of certain cancers by supporting detoxification and inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Heart health, broccoli contains fiber, antioxidants, and potassium, which can contribute to lower blood pressure, better cholesterol levels, and improved cardiovascular health. Bone health, high in vitamin K and calcium, broccoli supports bone health and helps prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Digestive health, the fiber content aids digestion, promotes a healthy gut, and helps prevent constipation. Antioxidant power, broccoli is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and various flavonoids that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Skin health, the vitamins and antioxidants in broccoli contribute to healthier skin by reducing the effects of aging and promoting a vibrant complexion. Immune support, with its high vitamin C content, broccoli can strengthen the immune system and help the body fight off illnesses. Weight management, low in calories and high in fiber, broccoli can aid in weight loss and management by promoting fullness and supporting a healthy metabolism. Vision protection, the lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene in broccoli are beneficial for eye health and can help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Incorporating broccoli into your diet can contribute to these health benefits and promote overall well-being. Making a smoothie is an easy and convenient way to go with broccoli.